Hey, Therese.
Hey, Jer.
Hey, remember when we hated RV people?
Yes, so much.
I mean, they were just a pain in our butt
Yeah, from driving too slow
to everything.
to everything.
In this video, we are collaborating with a bunch of our friends, and we have a guest collaborator, Matt, from Matt's RV Reviews, and we're all going to share with you how we got into RVing.
Let's go.
Stick around. Well, obviously, if you've watched our channel for the last couple of years, you know that we did, in fact, get into RVing. And so we thought we'd just share how we got here. Because truly, like we said at the beginning,
We did not like...
we did not like RV people.
No. Especially you driving, because you're like, gosh, they're driving so slow. Get out of my way. Don't they know how to drive? Pull over. Let us all go.
Yeah.
So.
I didn't get it. And now, well, now that we're RVers, we get it. So the backstory is we have been camping forever.
Yeah, I've been camping since I was a kid. And
Yeah.
then when we got together, we started camping. We'd go camping with our friends.
Yeah, and ever since the kids were real little, we camped in tents. In fact, we had our oldest son burn one of our tents down.
Yeah, when he was
once.
like he was one.
But yeah, we've always tent camped and did all that stuff, which, you know, grew the frustration for RVers. And we had it down so good that we could set up our tent and get all that stuff. And we would watch other RVers or RVers that just seemed to struggle with their setup and takedown. It seemed like their process took forever.
Okay, so two of our friends had the pop-up trailers.
Right.
And we would be watching them going,
Nope.
cranking, and Jerry and I had our tent up and we're like, we're good.
Yeah, we're already having a cold one.
We are good. And then your mom and dad got a trailer.
A little trailer, and it was extremely frustrating.
No, they got the big one.
Oh, that's right. They had the Springdale,
Yeah.
and then they went to the little ones,
They've had
which
so many. So
I was dead set against.
Yeah, and then Tom and Jen got a trailer. And then Muggy and Robin were still in their pop-up, and we were still in the tent until
There was that.
2015 when we went to Nehalem Bay.
Yep.
And there's a ginormous storm, 70-mile-an-hour winds.
Yeah, 70-mile-an-hour gusts, 50-mile sustained winds. Trees are snapping everywhere. It was pandemonium. Cats were sleeping with dogs, and you just never knew what was going to happen.
No, I woke up and I'm like, I'm not having fun.
Yeah, we had an 8-foot tall tent.
Yes.
And the 8-foot tall tent was coming down and hitting us.
Yes.
And we were laying on a big air mattress. Sadie was just a little teeny pup. She wasn't having it. Teresa wasn't having it. So we got up and said, we're out of here.
We're gone.
We had a canopy on our old truck. We didn't even pack. We just scooped and dumped it in the truck and went home.
Yep.
Well,
Then
that October,
No.
that was in September,
November we went to the
RV show and settled on a travel trailer that we absolutely fell in love with.
Yep. So we bought that in February of
And-
2016.
Yep. And we drove it for 6 years,
Yep.
7 years.
Till last year when we sold
Till last year when we got to Montana. We went across country with that. We used that every single month
Yep.
for 7 years, essentially 6 years.
6 years.
And absolutely fell in love
Yep.
with RVing and
Wouldn't go back.
wouldn't go back. And so back to me being an irritable tent camper, as an RVer, I make sure that I get over in the right lane, but I also set it at my comfortable speed and let everybody go around me.
Yep.
We're just in no rush.
You even stop and you're like, come on, let's go. Get past me. Get past me.
Yeah,
So,
we will let everybody go. But that is what brought us to RVing. Now, what kept us RVing?
Just all the places that you can go. We can go see friends. We can go almost everywhere.
Yeah, for us, it's a complete matter of convenience.
Yeah.
That no matter where we go, we have all of our stuff. And now that we're in the rig full time, we have
a lot of amenities that will help us.
Yeah, everything. So if we go to rest stops, we have our own bathrooms.
Yep.
We have our own kitchen, and we can, make lunch or whatever we need. When we arrive somewhere, the bed's already made. Everything is already there. And
if we're boondocking, we've got solar, we've got a generator,
Yep.
and we've got the water tank that we can fill up before we get to the boondock.
Yeah.
So
for us, RVing got better when we moved into Montana. It was great in the passport, and it got way better in the Montana because we have more room, we have more capacity, we have more of everything.
Yep.
And at 41 feet, we're not going to go any bigger, but we're probably never going to go any smaller. That's my prediction anyway. So, what we're interested in is how you got into RVing and what's keeping you there. What are your plans? And are you planning on upgrading or downsizing and going full-time, not going full-time? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure that you check out the other videos.
He's our
Welcome
guest.
Matt in. He's doing a guest spot. And I can't confirm or deny, but there may be more guest spots in the future. So,
Do tell.
yeah. So, like, subscribe, do all those things.
Tell a friend.
Yeah, that's probably the most important thing. Share it with somebody, anybody.
Let them know we're out there.
Goodness gracious, please help. It's free. And for free, you can help two struggling RVers. All right, we will see you in the next video.
Bye.